Welcome back to the Lit Lab. Let's talk today about an activity called Picture It. So with Picture It, you'll have a reusable vocabulary lesson. Each time you use it, you'll make visual connections for your students. You'll see increased attentiveness. And lastly, it is great for spiraling information. With Picture It, we're going to show them a vocabulary slideshow with nothing fancy in it. And then we're only going to use pictures with the vocabulary words. We're talking a white background with just pictures to start. We find the pictures for our words. In this case, we're going to do a Google search for osmosis. So let's go ahead and head to our classroom. Our students are going to arrive, and we're going to begin our vocabulary lesson introducing a topic that is new to them or possibly something that they've heard before, and we just want to reinforce what they know. Today we're going to talk about osmosis. So what we're going to do is we're going to basically create 4 slides per vocabulary word. The first slide is going to be the word slide. It's literally just going to have the word. The next 3 slides that follow it are going to be images. The first image is going to be something they know. The second one will be something that they find funny. And the last will be something that will help them understand the learning topic. The first slide is osmosis. There is nothing on this slide except for the word. Then we're going to show them something they know. In this case, because we're talking about osmosis, we're going to show them a picture of Easter eggs. Easter eggs, in order to make them go through a process of osmosis, and it's something that is relatable to them. It grounds the information in something they already are familiar with. Then we're going to show them something funny. In this case, we have Garfield with all the books attached to him. Yes, it's cheesy, it's ridiculous, but what this shows is how osmosis would ideally work in their life. If we had the opportunity to make it so that we could learn just by pushing the books against our sides, it would be great. And the kids would get a kick out of it, and it's something they've probably all done before, like when they fall asleep on their book. The last thing we're going to show them is something that they are going to need to be able to understand the lesson. So in this case, we show them a picture of osmosis. It's just a diagram, but osmosis is the spontaneous movement of molecules through a permeable membrane. So we would explain the dashes between the two columns and how the red dots shifted from one side of the container to the other. So just to recap, let's go ahead and go through that information one more time. We're going to show them something they know. We're then going to show them something to laugh at. And lastly, we're going to show them something that's going to help them understand. And each time you are going over or you're using this topic, you can use these images again as a reminder. We learned about osmosis. Remember Garfield trying to absorb the information through his books. Or remember the picture of the 2 containers and how the red dots move from one side to the other. These are just memory jarring information. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video this week. Please remember to visit our CCHS Literacy Laboratory and have a great day.